Good day, everybody. Hey, guess what happened? My car broke down again. You know something that's almost always beneficial, I think at least, it's almost always worth it to fix your own car, right? I really believe that. And, yeah. Anyways, this is an easy job. One of the places that I go is Parts Avatar. Now, Parts Avatar is for Canadians. So if you're from Canada, it works out really well. I would say what's really powerful about it is their search. Do you know what I mean? So, for example, you can have your car there. So one of the things you should do is always set up an account. That's for sure. I have two cars here listed because I have a Honda Pilot and I also have a Buick Rendezvous. And just click that. And what am I looking for? I'm looking for sway bar links. That's right, sway bar links. And just look at these prices, right? Okay, so I don't need the whole sway bar. Sway bar link. I don't know what this one. Okay, this one looks great. Look at the MOOG, the Moog sway bar link, $13.75. Like, how can you go wrong? Of course, you need two. If you're going to replace one side, you should replace the other. Keep your vehicle all, evened out on both sides. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add this sucker to cart. It's a really great brand, Moog. So I'm so surprised it's actually there. And there we go, a quantity of two. Like I said, the best thing about it is they really confirm well that, hey, this is a part that fits your car. I mean, hey, I'm fixing this for 27 bucks. That's awesome. All right. Anyways, so yeah, there we go. I am gonna have to pay for shipping. I think it's free shipping over $99. Unfortunately, or thankfully, I guess, mine is cheaper than that. So I am paying $17 cheap. But hey, you know what? I've shopped here before and I have points, 911 points. So I'm going to use that. So look, it's cost me $31.58. All right. Because I just bought I bought two catalytic converters. I've only purchased one for them prior. Shipping came, everything. It was great. Good experience. Anyways, Parts Avatar. Check it out. Have a great day. It's worth it. Bye-bye.